My video tutorial will now provide you with a detailed help that will assist you in getting rid of the ransomware called Razrusheniye. The term Razrusheniye means destruction in Russian language. So I assume that there are some Russian hackers who stand behind this ransomware called Razrusheniye. The ransomware is able to damage the files essentially, and because of that, the files get encrypted and the special Raz extension is appended to the file names. Whenever you try to open this specific file, you see this message that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Raz extension. It's just impossible to use the data, and the same applies to all other files. The ransomware reveals this ransom note titled as readme.txt, and this is the text of the ransom note. Basically, the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable security software such as Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Cleaner Antivirus on the official page combocleaner.com. So you will see the green download Cleaner button. By the way, the software is available for all popular operating systems: Windows, Mac, Android, or iPhone. But this ransomware only affects Windows computers. Download Cleaner through the official site combocleaner.com. Install the application and then start researching your system. The software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on the Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. Cleaner works exceptionally well when it comes to getting rid of threats like adware, browser hijackers, pop-ups, browser redirection issues, and of course ransomware like this Razrusheniye. Anyway, make sure that you use Cleaner to remove this ransomware. Cleaner does not decrypt files, but you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.